Number 4. Plusinno Carbon Fiber Telescopic. This rod plus reel combo is the ultimate Father's Day gift for any fishing enthusiast in your life. Constructed with high-density 24-ton carbon fiber and reinforced with fiberglass composite, this fishing rod is both powerful and durable. The welded stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts allow for superior casting distance and accuracy, making it perfect for any type of line you choose to use. The HA3000 fishing reel features a CNC machine-cut collapsible handle and 12+1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings, giving you a smooth and reliable fishing experience every time. The line capacity and gear ratio make it versatile for a variety of fishing situations. Weighing in at a lightweight and easily portable size, this rod and reel combo is perfect for throwing in your car trunk, boat, or backpack. You can easily travel to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy a day of fishing wherever you go. What I love the most about this product is the quality of the materials used and the attention to detail in the design. However, one thing to note is that it doesn't come with lures or line included, so be sure to pack those along with you. Overall, the Plusinno Carbon Fiber Telescopic is the best telescoping fishing rod you can buy. With its durability, versatility, and portability, it's a must-have for any fishing trip. Check it out today. Still searching for the perfect fishing rod? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.